Welcome to Norway, a land of kings, queens, and remarkable peace. It's a long northern country famous for its calm and safety. People here trust each other and their leaders, making life less stressful. Imagine leaving your bike outside a shop and not worrying. It's that safe. Norway's peace is woven into daily life, from snowy winters to sunny summer days. Even the cities feel relaxed, never too rushed or loud. Visitors come for the scenery, but stay for the sense of calm. What's the secret? It's a mix of stunning nature, close-knit towns, and values like fairness and caring for each other. Norwegians look after one another and their environment. In this journey, we'll explore how Norway built a society as serene as its fjords. Ready to discover what makes this country so special? Let's dive in and see why Norway is a model of peaceful living. The adventure begins now. Let's get started. Norway's nature is a masterpiece. Fjords, mountains, and forests everywhere you look. The fjords are deep sea inlets with towering cliffs, perfect for boat rides and awe. Waterfalls tumble down, and the quiet majesty fills you with wonder. Rugged mountains and endless forests invite hiking and adventure. It feels like a land from fairy tales, where magic could be real. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, light up the winter sky in dazzling colors. People travel from around the world just to witness this natural spectacle. Seasons are dramatic, dark, snowy winters and endless summer days with the midnight sun. Nature shapes life here, giving Norwegians a unique rhythm and deep connection to the land. This closeness to nature is part of what makes Norway so peaceful. The landscape isn't just beautiful, it's a way of life. Norway's wild beauty is unforgettable. Let's see how Norwegians live with the land. Onward. Norwegians embrace friluftsliv. Open-air living. From childhood, they're taught to play outside, rain or shine. Weekends mean hiking, not shopping, and nature is seen as essential for happiness. Norwegians fiercely protect their environment, recycling and using clean energy. Trails are spotless and respect for nature runs deep. The right to roam lets everyone explore the countryside freely as long as they care for it. Homes are built to bring the outdoors in with wood and big windows. Even city balconies bloom with plants. This harmony with nature keeps life balanced and serene. It's about living with the world, not against it. A clever way to live, don't you think? Norwegian cities like Oslo and Bergen are lively, but never frantic. Green spaces and nearby forests offer quick escapes to nature. Small towns and villages along the coast are even more peaceful, with colorful houses and friendly neighbors. Community is strong, people know each other and look out for one another. Safety is a hallmark, crime is low and children walk to school alone. Trust binds communities, making life less stressful and more cooperative. Public spaces are well kept, with parks, libraries, and community centers for all. The focus is on well-being and quality of life, not just wealth. Whether in a city or village, life is built around togetherness and calm. Norway's thoughtful approach creates harmony everywhere. It's a model for happy living. Let's look at the culture that makes it all possible. Norway's peace comes from its values: equality, kindness, and modesty. Everyone is treated with respect, and opportunities are shared. This fairness reduces jealousy and division, making society feel balanced. Norwegians are humble, friendly, and helpful, but never boastful. Volunteering and cooperation are part of daily life. Community spirit is strong. People work together for the common good. Simple joys matter: fresh fish, brown cheese, and heart-shaped waffles. National Day brings everyone together in traditional dress for joyful parades. Norway balances modern life with deep roots in nature and community. Contentment is valued over wealth, and kindness over competition. The result? A safe, beautiful, and happy place to call home. Norway shows us a different way to live, a truly inspiring example for the world.